Oh my God, it's the weekend again, and that can only mean one thing. It's vlog weekend. Thank you so much to my subscribers, to my non-subscribers for coming back to Auntie Lou's Turkish Delights Uncovered. Thank you so very much. I am nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Anyway, this is an amazing weekend. I am taking you on. Do you want to come? Of course you do. Come on. We are in TÜRKİYE. Hello. We have made it. We are at our destination. So 3.5 hours later, tell you all about it later, we have finally arrived. We are in DATÇA. Yes, and we are staying at the Kumluk Hotel. There was no space for parking, so I've had to park in the car park about 5 minutes walk away. So come on, let's go check in and let's go and have a look at our room. We have arrived. Here it is. It's a tiny little door right on the high street. I wonder what awaits us. Let's go inside. Well, here we are. She's just run off and left us. We've just walked in and it smells very nice. Oh, so we have just gone up 2 flights of stairs. There is no elevator. There's no elevator. And I think because it's hot, I think it's from the ice cream. A bit out of breath. Right then, so we are number 207. Shall we go in? 207. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Right then. Oh, okay, let's pop our card in. Electric. Maybe that way. Oh, don't know. Right then. Oh, it's hot in here. Let's check it out again. Right then. So we have got the bathroom hairdryer. Ooh. We have this. What's this all about? Oh. Okay. I don't know what that's for. What's that for? Cold. Oh, cold or hot water. Really? Okay. You've got your liquid soap. They've given us a little soap. Okay, we've got the towels. Toilet. Let's check that out. Oh, nice toilet. And the shower. There you are, look. And shampoo and shower gel. No conditioner, but I do have one in my bag. Right, let's look. You've got a safe. We have a pillar. 2 pillars. Oh, we've just dumped our stuff. 2 single beds. They look really nice. I'll have a sit on that in a minute. Kettle, a big mirror. Oh, a big mirror. Oh, state of me. I'm very hot. Coffees, teas, and we have got a fridge with a bottle of water. There was 2 bottles. DJ just nicked it. And let's have a look at the view. What view have we got? Wow. Look at the view. That is some view. Look how lovely and calm that water is. I'm quite impressed with that. A cloud in the distance. It's really lovely and cool on this balcony. Look at the lovely bougainvillea. Not bad, not bad. Let me just do a bed test. Forgot. Let's do a kettle test. Yeah, don't look too bad in there, does it? Right, at least I got some of this. Tea bags, which I didn't have last time. So my designated bed, I have been told I have to have this one. So let me do a bed test. Feels all right to me. Yeah, feels all right to me. Okay then, all good. And guess what else I've just discovered? I've just discovered, a fan. Is there no aircon in here? Oh yeah, there is aircon, look. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the state of the hair. I think I need to go for a swim. Do you want to come with me? Come on then. So when I'm doing these YouTube videos, I always take my daughter along. But I think I'm gonna have to stop, because when we get to the hotel room, it takes her forever for us to get out, and I want to video it for you lot. But it seems like I've spent 2 hours in this bedroom. Me, I don't take a second, just put my bikini on and I'm ready. Are they all the same, these children? Jeez, honestly. Just told her hurry up, I'm not bringing her again. So as you just come out of the Kumluk Hotel, they have this restaurant here where they do the fresh fish, the fresh prawns, your mezzies, your raka. It's very, very nice here. And you wait till I show you the beachfront. Look at all that mezze and wines and a fish on the bone. And this is the looks very nice inside as well. Look, really, really lovely. And the hotel is just over there. And they are doing a special menu, which is 5 mezzes, calamari, prawns, salad, sajak oktaba plate, hot plate, and kofte chicken or baluk fish with alcohol per person is 2,500 or 2,000 lira without alcohol. But look at this now, look, and there is music going on. So I'm just going to show you this part of it, and then I'm going to end the video. But look, I'm going to get in that in a minute. So we're all checked in, and this is where we are. It is sandy. Look at all the tables ready for your evening meal. How lovely. Look at this. Wow, I think I might be sitting here later. Look, very, very nice. So I have just tested the sea. It's warm now, it is lovely and warm, but it's, as you go in, you come across a sludgy part. And I don't know what it is. You can go further out, quite a way out actually, and it just comes up to your waist. But I don't get that zingy feeling in here. It doesn't feel very clean to me. Maybe I'm just in the wrong bit. Maybe when I go out a little bit more, then I'll discover another piece of this sea. But because we're here, I think maybe, I don't know, doesn't feel zingy. Do you know what I mean? Like Chalish and Uludenese, just something about it. But then I do love Chalish. And this, I do love this, where they put all these tables out for your evening meal, but they do get rid of your sunbed. So I don't think you can sunbed? You can sunbathe all day here. There's literally a couple of sunbeds left. but everywhere else now they have laid out the tables for the evening meal. So I've just got to jump on here again about this beach. Now, I don't know, there's many more beaches here, but at the moment this beach is not for me. The reason is that there is a bit of sludge as you walk in, and you've got to walk out for absolutely miles for it to come above your waist. So I don't know, right out to the boat possibly. Another thing, so you've got obviously all your hotels at the front here. There's all your hotels there. They're playing music, which is quite bumpy music, you know, which I do like it, but if I'm chilling out, then I don't really like it. Oh, I'm right misery. Anyway, they've set all their tables up. It is 5 o'clock, everybody, and they have set all the tables up for food. So if you was sunbathing, there's a few little sun loungers there. You'd feel a bit awkward laying there while someone's noshing on their fish fingers or their chicken nuggets. Well, it wouldn't be chicken nuggets. Or drinking their raki as you're laying on your sunbed. So yeah, so I'm not really that keen on it, to be honest. I mean, for the evening, if you were coming here in the evening, to come along here, and there's so many lovely restaurants, and have your dinner, then yeah. They rake all the sand, and you can sit right here and look at that. Beautiful. You sit down and that's your view. Very nice. Very nice. But to sunbathe, I mean, you couldn't sunbathe right there between the tables. No. But anyway, I will be coming here later on. I don't know whether to show you that in this vlog or put it on another. But here you go anyway. Oh, and another thing I've just thought about is when you come off this beach, so you've been swimming and there's no shower and there is nowhere to wash your feet off. And then you've come, oh, there is steps here. But yeah, so basically you've got a salt and you've got sand on you and you can't wash your feet off. But I've only just had a little nosy, so I could be wrong. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know about that one. Obviously, you've got your run of hotels all along here, and that is where they are laying out the tables and the chairs. I'm just going to have a little nosy up here. We've just walked to the end, and you've got a couple of little cafes. This one is a pub and a hotel. I tell you what, they're not very full at the moment. And let me just show you these prices. Here, I'm comparing, you see, You can get a Carlsberg, Tuborg. Look, Tuborg, 275 lira. Alcohol spritz, I actually could do with an alcohol spritz. But 700 lira, so I am not gonna have one of those. Even though I would really want one. But there you go. So that is just a little nosy of that one. And there you go, look, some more gin. Gordon's gin, 500 lira. I did actually ask our hotel, I said, are you full? And she said, no, we're not. We've only booked for one night. And I will tell you soon, I think. Oh no, I'll tell you now anyway. I paid £80 for 2 of us. I thought it had breakfast in it, but apparently it doesn't. So I'm going to check it when I get back my booking. But then she said to me, if we wanted to stay one more night, then she would only charge us, we'd get a discount. She's going to charge us 8,000 lira. Is she having a giraffe? I ain't paying 8,000 lira. So anyway, thought I'd let you in on that one. So we've just sat down for something to drink because I'm a little bit parched. But we are the only ones in this pub. I am really sad. It is very quiet. I just think things are too expensive at the moment in Türkiye. Honestly. Oh, it is really, really sad. Hopefully the schools, well, the English schools break up. That's the end of July, isn't it? And the Turkish schools have broken up today. So hopefully everyone will be coming on their holidays. So yes, it is refreshment time. I have been actually very, very busy today. I've done an awful lot of driving. So I've done an awful lot of concentrating. So it is time for a glass of wine. Cheers, everybody. Remember, I do this for you lot. It's quite hard work, you know. Oh, very, very nice. Right, so I've just put the hat on again. I did have it off, but I look an absolute wreck. I think because I've been in the sea. Anyway, I have had 2 glasses of wine. We've had a cola, we've had a Fanta, and DJ had a chicken and chips, which was 350 lira. But the wines, for a glass of wine, 600 lira each wine. So I've had 2 wines, 1,200 lira. So our whole bill is 1,950. I think I need to lie down. Oh, I'm doing it for you lot. Remember that. So we will continue our DATÇA adventures. Stay tuned tomorrow for Eski DATÇA, where I will take you around the old part of DATÇA. So if you like the video, if you love the video, don't forget to like, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. You lot take care. I will catch you